Welcome to RunSafe Security Minute, your fast pass to tackling tough cybersecurity questions. 1 minute, one expert, zero fluff.
What are the biggest cyber risks to the manufacturing supply chain, and how can companies defend against them?
The greatest threat to supply chain security for manufacturers is memory safety vulnerability. Those vulnerabilities are coming in through software in the supply chain, usually through open source Linux packages or vendor solutions for, say, VxWorks or QNX or other real-time operating systems. And the data shows that that is a large portion of the vulnerabilities. For some embedded device manufacturers, that number can be up to 95% of the vulnerabilities that they have to triage, patch, and work around, mitigate are coming in from their suppliers. So, it's great that open source software can give you good functionality for free in quotes there, but you can have security vulnerabilities introduced there, and they can be devastating in that most memory safety vulnerabilities are high or critical and can lead to remote code execution. So companies need to be very mindful of what software is coming into their supply chain and have good vulnerability management and security lifecycle programs to keep those software patched, updated in cases where you can't or you want to provide support long into the future. Deploy mitigation such as RunSafe Protect to give your devices lasting security long after they are end of life.